Hey guys, it's Christina here from Life According to Kay, and I am at Napa Auto Parts to help all of you lovely lifers do a quick windshield wiper change for fall. Come on over. Life According to Kay starts now. All right guys, so this is Napa Auto Parts. This is where I went to get my windshield wipers. You can get them at any auto parts store. I would recommend, because if you have questions, they're there to help you. So if you are an independent lifer, I would recommend going to an auto parts store. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Target, but to get the extra help from people who know what they're doing in case, even though this is an easy fix, I would go here. Okay guys, so we got the windshield wipers. I went with Prime Vision. They're typically on sale here. You could get Rain-X and you could get some other brands. I decided just to go with one that they're around the same as far as wear time. And I'm only replacing my front windshield wipers. I'm not replacing the one back one. So if any of you guys have a back windshield wiper, you use the same process, except it's a little bit different. So I'll show you guys that one on another video. That one doesn't need to be replaced right now for me. All right, so here we go. So all of the windshield wipers come with the instructions here. I happen to know out of the 3 different windshield wiper styles for hooking up your windshield wipers, mine is the J-hook style. So what I'm gonna do when I replace this is hold this little clasp right here and move this up. So I'll show you.
So there you go.
So I hold this clasp here and I move this little arrow part up. And now this part is going to hook on in a J-hook fashion to this arm that connects to the SUV. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is the 26-inch ones. This is the largest one on my driver's side. And then I'll do the same thing on the passenger side with the 15-inch one. I showed you before I opened it up here. And so now I'm gonna slide it onto the J-hook here. So we're gonna open it up, push the J-hook through. Okay. See, I corrected myself there, guys. Make sure you have it on the right side, and then it's clicked in place. There we go, click and click. Okay guys, so that's how easy it is to replace your windshield wipers. Remember, you have the function that stays on your vehicle, and then you have the function that you replace. I try to replace mine every other season just to give myself some time in between, but if you start to see some wear, like ragged edges or separation from this, which sometimes you see the rubber come off, that's a good time to do that. And pay attention to the instructions. Super easy peasy. Don't let anybody tell you they need to do it for you. You can do it. See you guys, lifers. Have a good day.